Hello, Dr. Fazalunisa Garu.
Hi, Mansa.
So, ma'am, we'll go with the rapid fire.
Hmm.
So, egg freezing, miracle or a marketing?
Not both.
Okay. Miscarriage, guilt or society pressure?
Not both.
Sperm test, do men feel embarrassed?
Don't feel embarrassed because it's going to give you a baby.
IVF, fear or hope?
Both.
PCOS, is it lifestyle change enough?
Partly enough.
Okay. Late marriage, dream end or delay?
Never say never. Better late than never.
Okay. Adoption, is it a solution or a second option?
Solution. Definitely.
Love and fertility, are they connected?
Totally.
Social stigma, is it avoidable?
That is why we are doing this podcast.
True. Fertility pills, magic or myth?
Not both.
Not both. Okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Fazalunisa Garu, because you have lightened up so many homes and hearts too.
Thank you so much. It's always pleasure to be here, Mansa, with you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.